Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to use the built-in calculator's advanced functions in Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So we open our calculator, and here you have normal numbers, the percentages, and normal functions, basic. Of course, we have the negative numbers. But when we click in here and flip our phone, we have the advanced functions. For example, the square root. Oh, it works like that. And the trigonometry functions, radians, the power. So power 5 to the power of 2, but we can change the 2 to 3. And when we click this, we have our trigonometry functions to the power of -1 and square, and not square, but root to the power of 3. I don't know how it's called, I'm sorry. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.